Have you ever wondered if affiliate marketing could be a substantial source of income? It's a question that's been asked by many, and today we're going to delve into the answer. Affiliate marketing, in its simplest form, is a performance-based business strategy. It's about earning a commission by marketing another person's or company's products. Picture yourself as a bridge, connecting potential customers to the product or service they need. The potential for income generation through affiliate marketing is significant. It's a flexible business model that allows you to work from anywhere, at any time, and the income you can generate is directly proportional to your efforts. The more you put in, the more you get out. It's a viable source of income, with countless success stories of individuals earning substantial amounts from their affiliate marketing endeavors. Now that we've established what affiliate marketing is and its potential, you might be asking, how does it work? To make money from affiliate marketing, you need to understand the process behind it. The process is essentially a three-step dance. The first step is finding a product you like and wouldn't mind promoting. It's crucial to choose something you're genuinely passionate about, because your excitement and knowledge about the product will shine through in your promotions and resonate with your audience. Now, you don't necessarily have to be an expert on the product, but you should believe in it enough to convince others of its worth. Remember, authenticity breeds trust, and trust is a vital ingredient in the recipe for affiliate marketing success. The second step involves driving traffic to your affiliate link. This is where you'll need to put in some work. You'll need to create engaging content that not only promotes the product but also provides value to your audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, social media updates, email newsletters, or even YouTube videos. The goal here is to attract as many people as possible to your content, and ultimately, to your affiliate link. You want to create a buzz around the product, making it irresistible for your audience to click on your link. Finally, the third step is all about reaping the rewards of your efforts. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a piece of the profit. This is the commission that makes affiliate marketing an attractive source of income. The amount you earn can vary greatly depending on the affiliate program and the product. Some programs offer a flat rate per sale, while others offer a percentage of the total sale. Regardless, the more traffic you drive to your affiliate link, the higher your earning potential. So, you see, the process is pretty straightforward. But how do you get started? Starting with affiliate marketing might seem daunting, but it's actually quite manageable once you know the steps. Let's unravel this together. First and foremost, it's crucial to choose a niche that you're passionate about. This is because you'll be investing a lot of time and effort into creating content around this topic. So it's best to select something that you actually enjoy and are knowledgeable about. This not only makes the process more enjoyable, but it also gives you an edge because your passion and expertise will shine through in your content, making it more engaging and appealing to your audience. After you've chosen your niche, the next step is to find affiliate programs to join. There are countless programs out there, so it's important to do your research and pick the ones that align with your chosen niche. Look for programs that offer good commission rates, reliable tracking, and timely payments. Now, moving on to the heart of affiliate marketing, creating great content. This is where you'll promote the products or services you're affiliated with. Whether you're writing blog posts, creating videos, or sharing social media posts, always aim to provide value to your audience. Your content should be informative, engaging, and helpful. Remember, the goal is not just to sell, but to build trust and establish a loyal audience. The next step is to drive traffic to your site. This can be achieved through various methods such as search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. The more traffic you generate, the higher the chances of conversions. Lastly, you'll need to optimize the path to conversion. This involves making it as easy as possible for your audience to make a purchase. You can do this by creating clear and compelling calls to action, simplifying the checkout process, and providing excellent customer service. It might take some time and effort, but with patience and persistence, you can definitely make a substantial income from affiliate marketing. We've covered a lot today, so let's take a quick look back at some of the key points. We kicked things off with the big question: is affiliate marketing a viable source of income? The answer, quite simply, is a resounding yes. Affiliate marketing offers an opportunity to generate substantial income, and the beauty of it is that you don't need to create a product or offer a service yourself. Instead, you're promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale. We then moved on to understanding the affiliate marketing process. It's a three-step dance, really. First, you find a product you like and promote it to others. Second, a potential customer clicks on your affiliate link, which leads them to the product's sales page. And finally, if the customer makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a straightforward process, but it requires careful planning and execution. Next, we delved into the nitty-gritty of getting started with affiliate marketing. We highlighted the importance of choosing a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. We discussed the need to research affiliate programs and products within your chosen niche. And we emphasized the importance of building a platform such as a blog or a website where you can promote your affiliate products. We also touched on the significance of creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. This is key to attracting and retaining a loyal following. We recommended using SEO strategies to increase your visibility on search engines, and we stressed the importance of tracking your results to identify what's working and what's not. Remember, affiliate marketing offers a viable opportunity for significant income, but like any business, it requires commitment and work. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to put in the time, effort, and sometimes even a little bit of money to see significant returns. So stay persistent, stay patient, and you'll see the fruits of your efforts. Here's to your affiliate marketing success.